You just found the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. This Ridgeline takes a thoughtful approach to meeting the demands of your active lifestyle. You'll love its rugged capability, smooth ride, and easy handling, as well as its clever cargo and entertainment solutions and customizable all-weather driving modes. It's a hard-working pickup truck that's anything but ordinary. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, fog lamps, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Rough and ready meets smooth and sophisticated in this exquisitely versatile Honda Ridgeline. See for yourself when you come in for a test drive.